Hello friends! Have you ever poured vinegar on your feet? If not, in this video I will tell you why it is necessary and how exactly to make foot baths with vinegar. Foot baths are very useful. They help relieve fatigue and heaviness in the legs, improve the condition of the skin on the heels and feet. By regularly doing foot baths, you can get rid of calluses, fungus, heel cracks, and soften the skin on your heels. So we need a large bowl or basin. I pour 5 liters of warm water into the basin. The water temperature should be 35 degrees Celsius. Next, take apple cider vinegar. Measure out half a glass and pour it into the water. Acetic acid cleanses the skin well, destroys bacteria and fungi. Place your feet in this solution and keep them there for 15 minutes. This composition softens the skin well, therefore if you are struggling with cracked heels and nothing helps, start doing such baths. They are also great for eliminating foot odor and killing bacteria. So if you have to wear closed shoes all day and are struggling with foot odor, wash your feet with soap and soak them in water with apple cider vinegar. Since vinegar has not only antibacterial but also antifungal properties, such baths can also help you if you are fighting foot and nail fungus. After 15 minutes, take a foot grater or pumice stone and treat your feet. I would also like to draw your attention to the fact that such foot baths are contraindicated during pregnancy, with diabetes, for people with allergies, high body temperature, and if there are open skin lesions on the feet. After the vinegar bath, your feet should be placed in cool water, rinsed and dried thoroughly. If you really want to get rid of cracked heels and fungus, then do not forget about regularity. This procedure should be repeated 2 to 3 times a week, and very soon you will see the result. After the procedure, you need to wait about 20 minutes and then apply a moisturizing cream to your feet. So friends, if you want your feet to be healthy and beautiful, try doing vinegar baths as I just told you. I hope this advice will be useful to you. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.